Hello, this is Saifuddin. Welcome to my video. In this video, I will exactly show you how you can connect your own Gmail account to the another Gmail account. So you might have different Gmail account, or you might have two business account, or you might have one business account and one personal account. So in that cases, sometimes you need to access your own email to your employee or anyone else. You might need to give access them, so you don't want to give you the main email. So in that cases, you can connect your two Gmail account perfectly. Or sometimes you need to get the Gmails which is receiving your employees or which is receiving your freelance or something like that. So in that cases, you need to connect to Gmail account perfectly, so that you can get any types of Gmail, any types of messages in your inbox, a copy. So I will show you exactly how you can do that. So we will use three Gmail account here. So on of them, I will connect this Gmail account to this Gmail account, and I will use this Gmail account to verify how exactly we are connecting. Okay, so let's go to the settings and see all settings. Here's have the option for routing and pop by map. Okay, just simply click over here. So just also copy the Gmail, which is rosestown.gub. I'm just copying this Gmail account and just pasting over here at forwarding email. Okay, next. Okay, so yes, proceed, and we will get for a confirmation in this email. We are actually requesting this Gmail account to this Gmail accounts. Okay, so we got a confirmation from here. Simply just you can verify by using a code if they ask you there to give the code, or you can simply click over this link to verify, because we are in the same browser. That's why I think you can confirm from the link. Okay, so we actually confirmed that we connected these two Gmail account perfectly. So simply just I'm just closing the tab. So now we can test how actually we actually did. So make sure one thing, just go to the settings section again and go to the forwarding and pop by IMAP, and just simply click over here. We actually connected our account, but we are not actually connected perfectly. So this is the final part. Just most of the person do not do that, so they are worried about that. Actually we are not receiving, I just set it up perfectly but not receiving an email. So that actually the reason. So you can just simply click over here and keep Gmail copy in the inbox. Okay, then save changes. Okay, so now we all set up. Now we can just do a test. So we'll do email. We'll send an email from this account to Emma Sophia, which is the first account. Okay, so we can just simply body here, Emma. Hi Emma, you are going to receive email from us, something like that. Thank you. Okay, so an email from us. Okay, so we can just send it to this inbox. Okay, so we will receive that email in this inbox, and we'll be able to understand how we set it up and is it working or not. We can just refresh Ctrl Shift R, which is hard reload. You can use your most of the cases when you are in the busy and you need the email very shortly, so you can just use Ctrl Shift R. Okay, so here we received an email, and we can just get the email from here as well. So we successfully connected those two Gmail account perfectly. So anybody email us, so you will get a copy in your two inbox. Okay, so if this is your employee account you can think that this is your account and you connected this account to this account. So if anybody, this is your employee account, if anybody email your employee, then you will get a copy. So you don't need to the sender do not need to connect you in connected you in the address section. So for example, here's a CC and BCC. So if the sender do not connect you in the section, even you will get a copy in your inbox as well. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching this video.